Jellyfin Media Server Complete Setup, free alternative to Plex and Emby. Whenever you set up a media server program in your PC, it turns into your host server. You'll be able to hook up with it out of your cell phone and stream the media that is saved in your PC's onerous drive. Consider it like YouTube or Spotify, however your PC is the server and the content material that's obtainable is predicated on the media records data on the PC. We'll be having a look at Jellyfin, a free and open supply various for Plex. The Jellyfin server is accessible for Linux distros, Mac OS and Home Windows, and we'll be utilizing Home Windows for this information. The method is a bit lengthy, however it's pretty straightforward and you do not want any technical expertise. I am going to attempt to hold it so simple as attainable. You'll need the next: a PC related to your router. Would not matter if it is wired/Wi-Fi, however you will want Wi-Fi to stream content material to units that hook up with the community Wi-Fi. A media server program, Jellyfin. A cell phone or streaming system with a consumer app, Jellyfin cellular app or Plex app. The right way to set up Jellyfin on Home Windows. 1. Obtain the most recent Jellyfin server from the official website. 2. Extract the archive and run jellyfin.exe. 3. A command immediate window ought to open and set up the required companies. Preserve this window open, it's the server app. 4. This system opens a brand new browser tab, and shows the Jellyfin fast begin information. 5. Comply with the on-screen directions to set up your native server's account title and password. 6. Subsequent, you may be requested so as to add your media library. Choose the folders in your PC, or a USB exterior HDD, which has the flicks, television reveals, music that you just need to stream. Notice, select the suitable class for every folder, i.e. TV reveals class on your TV collection folder, films for the flicks folder. It could sound apparent, however there's a cause why it is best to choose the corresponding class. This system pulls metadata/artwork from corresponding sources on the web and shows them within the consumer system app. 7. You will note some additional settings whereas deciding on the folder, however aside from deciding on the language and area, most of those settings are optionally available. We're halfway there. How to connect with your Jellyfin server? 1. Upon getting arranged the media library, you may be taken to the server's homepage. Seek advice from the primary screenshot. 2. Click on the menu icon on the left and choose the dashboard choice, Admin part. 3. Right here you will notice your server's title, model quantity, of Jellyfin, port quantity, 8096, and a pair of URLs, LAN deal with and WAN tackle. The LAN tackle is the native host URL, i.e., for use when your server and the consumer system are in the identical community. For example your private home community, the place your PC and cell phone are related to the identical Wi-Fi. The WAN tackle is the URL that you should use to connect with the server from a distant community, whenever you're away from house and need to stream media out of your server. 4. Obtain the Jellyfin client app on the system that you just need to use for streaming, Android cell phone, Google Play Store, or Android TV, Amazon Fire Stick, Google Chromecast, or Kodi. 5. Open the consumer app and you will be prompted to enter the URL of the server to connect with. Check with step 3 to get the URL. Sort it without including the port quantity on the finish. 6. Enter the password you set whereas configuring the server to authenticate your connection. That is all there may be to it. I take advantage of the Jellyfin app on my Android cell phone to connect with my Jellyfin server hosted on my laptop computer. The cellular app syncs to the library, and I can watch the movies on my PC, on the cell phone. Closing phrases. I do not use media servers usually, however once I did. I used Plex. I stumbled upon Emby when in search of an alternate, after which found it was violating the GPL. They stopped releasing the supply code, after which went proprietary. You'll find premium choices on the official website, and the identical website says this system is licensed below GPL v2. The GitHub webpage reveals the final commit was made on September 20, 2018. The builders confirmed at one level that solely a part of the app was utilizing closed supply. That undoubtedly breaches the license. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.